आज का ये वीडियो है completely about how you can access your own inner guidance, intuition, जो आपको बोलना है बोल सकते हो, बट दैट कनेक्शन जो आपकी खुद की विजडम से है, दैट इज़ गोइंग टू गाइड यू इन एवरी सिंगल स्टेप ऑफ योर लाइफ. And the best part is when you are connected to your own intuition, your own inner wisdom or inner guidance, you never feel alone. You never feel that there is nobody having your back. You start connecting to so much more once you start connecting to that part of you जो उस wisdom से connected है, जो हम सब में है तो, but उसे access करना ना कभी कभी थोड़ा सा tricky हो जाता है. एंड इस वीडियो में जो मैं टिप्स शेयर करूँगी दैट विल रियली हेल्प यू इन नंबर 1 आइडेंटिफाइंग इट एंड नंबर 2 डिसर्निंग इट. डिसर्निंग मतलब what actually is your inner guidance and what is actually that human conditioning or your limiting beliefs trying to dominate your mind or guide you in your decision. इस वीडियो के बाद आप एटलीस्ट डिसर्न तो डेफिनेटली कर पाओगे एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली it will be very easy and fun for you to connect with your own inner guidance. So I really hope all the tips in this video are going to benefit you. They are very simple but very powerful and very true. So I really hope they help you in many ways. Let's dive right in. The very first tip or way to connect to that wisdom part of you is not trying too hard to do that. अब इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग कि मैं सबसे पहला पॉइंट ये क्यों बोल रही हूँ व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्सेसिंग योर इनर गाइडेंस, व्हाई एम आई सेइंग डोंट ट्राई टू हार्ड, इट इज़ बिकॉज हमारे इंट्यूशन और इनर गाइडेंस की सबसे खास बात या सबसे बड़ी स्पेशलिटी होती है दैट इट communicates when we are at a light state. So the harder you try to find it, the difficult it is. और ऐसा नहीं होता it is because it's not there or you have to go somewhere else to find it. It is because it is within you. It is a part of you. और जब आप उसे कहीं और ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हो other than you and when you try very hard at it, एक ना मिस्ट सी आ जाती है या एक हैवीनेस और डेंसिटी आ जाती है जिसकी वजह से हम डिफ्रेंशिएट ही नहीं कर पाते हैं. व्हाट इज़ आवर इनर गाइडेंस, व्हाट आर द थॉट्स दैट आर आर्स, व्हाट इज़ दैट विजडम, हु आर आवर गाइड्स, व्हेन आर दे स्पीकिंग, व्हाटएवर दैट डिफ्रेंसिएशन जो एक होना चाहिए हमारी खुद की इनर वॉइस में और हमारे उन वॉइसेस में जो दैट आर इन अ हेड, वो हम नहीं कर पाते हैं व्हेन वी आर एट अ डेंस स्टेट. सो द very important thing that you have to do in order for you कि आप अपने उस wisdom को access कर सकें is जब भी you are trying to access it, just stop and let it go. Trust me on this. अगर आप ऐसा कर रहे हो कि आप अपने intuition को access करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, nothing is coming up, you are becoming tight, you are becoming heavy, that is not the way. So just do this because mostly we want कि हमारा intuition हमसे we want to be intuitive so that we can make the decisions that we wish to जो हमारे लिए best हो. But in order to do that, ये चीज़ थोड़ी sideline होगी but it will be very helpful. You have to number 1 stop thinking कि there is something wrong that could happen. हम में से बहुत सारे लोग including me, I used to do this until recently मैं ये खुद पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा implement कर रही हूँ. We try to access our intuition so that we can do it right, we can get it all right. और इस चक्कर में होता यह है कि when we listen to that voice or whatever you call it, that impulse, that nudge और चीज़ अलग होती है as we expect, हमें doubt होने लगता है and we either give up or we become fearful कि यार मेरा ये intuition मुझे guide नहीं कर रहा है. So just टेक आउट द नोशन कि कोई चीज़ गलत हो सकती है बिकॉज एवरी सिंगल स्टेप ऑफ योर लाइफ, एवरी सिंगल मिस्टेक जो आपने अपनी लाइफ में की है हैज़ गाइडेड यू इन सम वे और द अदर. ये चीज़ बहुत मुश्किल लगती है कई बार एक्सेप्ट करने में, बट इफ़ यू कैन रियली एक्सेप्ट इट एंड इफ़ यू कैन लिव विद दिस थिंग कि देयर इज़ नथिंग रॉन्ग दैट आई कैन डू, आपका स्टेट ऑफ माइंड ऑटोमेटिकली लाइट हो जाता है, पहली चीज़. और दूसरी चीज़, यू डोंट ट्राई टू हार्ड टू एक्सेस योर इंट्यूशन बिकॉज it is not the way. You cannot differentiate it in that state कि कौन सा आपका actual intuition है और कौन से आपके beliefs हैं या paths हैं जो आपको protect करने के लिए they are just giving you those thoughts. So before taking any major decision या day to day life में if you इसका आप answer ढूंढ रहे हो, stop trying first of all. Just let that question or that problem, write it out on a paper, clarify it in your mind, क्योंकि कई बार हम इतने chaotic हो जाते हैं कि हमें पता ही नहीं होता root cause में हमें क्या चीज़ दिक्कत दे रही है. So identify it, write it down and let it go. Don't try so hard to listen to it and be open to receive the guidance. You can use affirmations ki I am ready and willing and open to receive the guidance that is for my highest good. You can use a prayer, thank you my intuition or my inner wisdom for guiding me in the right direction, or thank you God for guiding me in the right direction. Any which ways, just let it go with lightness. Lightness is the key to accessing your intuition. And so if you're doing this, stop right now and try this instead. The second tip is don't search it outside of you or a part separate from you. Your intuition is a part of who you are. हमारे लाइफ में बहुत बार बिना इवन सोचे हम इंट्यूटिवली ही काम करते हैं. एवरी सिंगल टाइम, इवन समटाइम्स जो चीज़ें हमें लगता है कि एट द सर्फेस ये कैसे मेरा इंट्यूशन हो सकता है, हाउ कैन दिस हेल्प मी, आर देयर टू गाइड यू. सो डोंट ट्राई टू सर्च इट एज अ डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ यू जिसे आपको एक्सेस करना है. जस्ट नो इट इन योर हार्ट दैट इट इज़ देयर ऑलरेडी guiding you and it is a part of you. It is not something different from you but a part of you. और जब आप ये accept कर लेते हो कि I don't have to go anywhere to find my intuition, it is already there, it is already a part of me, it becomes very easy क्योंकि तब आप merge हो जाते हो. And normally हम merge state में ही रहते हैं. We all are very intuitive in our nature, okay? None of us is someone जो intuitive नहीं है. We all are. द डिफरेंस इज कुछ लोगों को ये पता होता है और कुछ लोग थोड़े से अनअवेयर होते हैं कि यार आई एम इंट्यूटिव. इसलिए जस्ट स्टॉप ट्राइंग सो हार्ड, नंबर वन, एंड स्टॉप थिंकिंग दैट देर इज समथिंग एल्स आउटसाइड ऑफ यू. कोई और गाइड करेगा आपको, या यू नो देर इज अ डिफरेंट वॉइस दैट इज इन यू जो बहुत लाउडर क्लियर होगी. ऐसा नहीं होता है. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ यू, इट इज़ देयर विथ यू एंड इट इज़ नॉट सेपरेट फ्रॉम यू. इट इज़ you in your own heart. So rather than trying to go after like I need to find it, just start listening to yourself, start listening to your heart, start doing things the way you feel you should do, because that is your intuition. That subtle nudge, that whisper जो हमें एक बहुत subtle सी feeling होती है, एक thought जो repeated आता रहता है कि I should do this, I should do this. That is your intuition trying to guide you. Or maybe something clicks with you, speaks to you, lights you up. That is when your intuition kicks in. It is the most light feather-like feeling of a thought जो आपका intuitive thought होता है. और कई बार वो इतना normal होता है, आप इतने already tuned in होते हो कि आपको differentiate करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ती है. So don't try to point it out कि this is my intuitive thought, this is not, because it will not work और आप mess up हो जाओगे. Just remember it's a part of you and start listening to your own heart, start listening to your own self, because that is how you can access that wisdom and that is how you can make the decisions. And I will repeat that point, it is very important. Take out the notion of wrong. There is nothing that can go wrong in your life. You are doing everything perfectly. You are already guided. जो भी चीज़ें हैं जिनमें आपको अपने इंट्यूशन की हेल्प चाहिए है, अगेन आई वुड से क्लैरिफाई इट. एक स्टेटमेंट, दो स्टेटमेंट के फॉर्म में एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इट इज़ दैट यू आर सीकिंग, किस चीज़ का आपको सोल्यूशन चाहिए है. एग्जाम्पल के लिए इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू नो कि मेरी हेल्थ में अगर मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, व्हाट इज़ एग्जैक्टली हैपनिंग, वाई इज़ दिस हैपनिंग, तो जो सिम्टम मुझे दिक्कत दे रहा है वो जस्ट राइट इट डाउन कि वाई इज़ दिस हैपनिंग, व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न फॉर दिस, एंड लेट इट गो. एंड the best thing about your wisdom, inner wisdom or your guides or your intuition is when you are not even thinking about it, it will come to you. If you are a beginner, this will really help. But if you have been tuned in, you can receive direct answers. I also many a times receive direct answers. I have a communication with my own inner wisdom. But if you are really in a beginning stage or आप अभी messed up हो and you really don't know कि यार कौन सी मेरी inner guidance है, just identify what you want, separate it, write it down and let it go, and then be open कि कौन सी चीज़ it will just resonate, it will just click, it will be like a light bulb moment जहाँ पे it will be like, oh this is it, this is what was causing this, or this is what was disturbing me, or this is why I was feeling this way, or this is what's off. It just comes in, and you have no such explanation for it, but a knowing. You just know. That is what your intuition is. It is a knowing. So you know it in your heart, what's right for you, what's meant for you. So start listening to that, start tuning into your heart more, into yourself more, rather than trying so hard to find your intuition. The third tip is, it is actually what is not your intuition. So इस point में मैं सारी वो चीज़ें ही include करूँगी जो हम कई बार misinterpret कर लेते हैं, that it actually is not your intuition, but you become fearful and you think, yeah, what if this is, okay? Number one is fear. Fear is never our intuitive thought. अगर हमारे इंट्यूशन को हमें किसी से बचाना भी है, इट वुड नेवर इंक्लूड फियर, एंड इट इज़ बिकॉज फियर इन इटसेल्फ इज़ अ डिविएशन फ्रॉम आवर ओन लाइट. और जब हम फियर की सुनते हैं या फियर में सबमर्ज्ड होते हैं, आवर इंट्यूशन फर्स्टली जितना भी कोशिश कर ले, वी कैन नॉट गेट टू इट. सो इफ़ यू बिकम फियरफुल, और इफ़ यू थिंक, क्योंकि हमें एक्चुअली कंडीशन किया जाता है इस तरीके से कि यू फियर के थ्रू ही हमें कंट्रोल किया जाता है बेसिकली. सो वी माइट थिंक कि इंट्यूशन में भी फियर होता होगा, बट योर इंट्यूशन नेवर स्पीक्स द लैंग्वेज ऑफ फियर. So anything that is fearing you out, that is worrying you out, that is making you anxious, is not your intuition. It is your limiting belief, or it's something that you need to look upon and work upon. So start doing that rather than listening or believing into it. The best way कि जिससे आप अपने fears पर trust ना करो, उन पर believe ना करो, is knowing the truth of your fear, which is, it is something that is not your truth. It is something that you don't really need to believe in. And once you do that, once you understand that, fear soften होने लगता है. You see things for what they are, and you can see beyond that fear for what it actually is, and how can you navigate that thing. Number 2 is urgency. Now ये चीज़ हो सकती है, इनफैक्ट मेरे साथ एक कई बार होता था, that I used to think कि if I am having a very loud, very urgent thought, that is my intuition and I need to take an action, a compulsion, which is a false myth or a belief, or anything you want to call it. Your intuition would never ever force you or compel you to do anything. हमारा intuition loud हो सकता है, but वो भी ऐसा loud नहीं होगा. It will be very firm, not forceful. If you can get the difference, your intuition always tries to guide you rather than trying to dominate you. तो जो भी heavy thoughts होते हैं, जो भी forceful thoughts होते हैं, obligatory, compulsive thoughts होते हैं, that is not your intuition. Because बहुत सारा content है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. Maybe you might tend get into the belief pattern ki if I have to listen to my intuition, I have to listen to every single thought, every urgency, maybe it's trying to save me. It will never do that, because you are already very safe and protected. हमारी life काफ़ी ज़्यादा safe है. It's never in that kind of a danger. और जब ऐसे situations आते भी हैं, तब भी हम automatically we are saved in many ways. So it's not true. Your urgency, your compulsion, your obligation is never true. So stop listening to these things. Fear, urgency, compulsion, forcefulness, domination, ये सब आपका intuition नहीं है. And what actually are the traits of your intuition? Now let's talk about that. Number 1, it's a nudge, like a very soft push. Somebody is just doing this to you. It's like, go there, do this, this would be a good idea. It's very light, and it's always in the form of a good idea. That is the very first trait, that it is something that will be give you joy, it will make you smile, it will be something not world changing, क्योंकि हमें अक्सर लगता है कि हमारा intuition would be something that would change our lives completely, जो कि funny है, because our lives don't change. It might happen, but our lives don't change in one night or with one just thought. It's a thing of day to day moments. So your intuition is actually your peace. It is your own joy. It is your own laughter. It's those light feathery thoughts जो आपको सोचने में अच्छे लगते हैं, जो आपको काम करने में अच्छे लगते हैं. That is how your intuition is guiding you. It's a nudge. It's an impulse जो बहुत light feel होता है. It's feather like. Okay, if you can get this, feather like, very soft, but it's there. It's just, it keeps on coming up, and it tries to guide you. If you can listen to that subtle nudge, that, oh, I should go and do this. Oh, this feels like a good idea. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is nice thing to do. That is what your intuition is. And maybe it's something that you wish to eat, maybe it's someone that you want to talk to. It always comes in the form of a good idea trying to guide you in something that would bring you joy. It never tries to, save you from the harm and as such, but mostly tries to guide you towards your joy. The second is, it is firm, जो कि मैंने भी थोड़ी देर पहले बोला, if your intuition has to save you or something, it is never forceful, it is firm, it is very firm in the sense it's not dominating you, it's not like over your face कि oh you will die if you did not do this, or your world would collapse अगर ऐसा हो जाएगा. तो catastrophe नहीं create करता है intuition. It is firm, it's a thought that will come 100 times in a day in your mind कि यार I should call that person, I should call that person, I should check my mail, I should check my mail, I should check the socket maybe, or any such thing, or I should get this thing done. That is your intuition trying to guide you to do something that would actually benefit you. It's again not trying to save you in any way, it's just trying to guide you. So anything that is firm but not forceful, please अगर आप इसमें difference understand कर सकते हो तो forceful is on your face and trying to push you. Firm is like it's just popping again and again in your mind, and it's not filled with fear or urgency, it's just there. एक ऐसा thought जो बहुत neutral है पर बार बार आ रहा है. If there is something happening with you, or if you have faced a situation जहाँ पे it's like oh I should have done this, I was having a thought, that kind of a thought is firm and your intuition trying to guide you. Maybe it was for you to call the broker, or maybe call that person to fix something in your house because it would just get the servicing done, because maybe your AC was about to break down or your heater was about to break down, that kind of a thing. Again, life threatening situations में you really don't need that kind of a thing because you are already protected. So उस वे में अगर आपको कोई चीज़ डरा रही है, it is definitely not your intuition but something that you should look upon कि ऐसा हो क्यों रहा है and how can you work with it. It's always loving and helpful. अब ये basically not just for intuition, but अगर आप spiritually भी अपने guide से connect करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो या कोई guidance receive करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, it is never fearful. That guidance from spiritual realm, it's never fearful. It's always light, it's always helpful, and it's always loving. So any voice in your head that tries to fear you out or that tries to dominate you, that is not helpful, that is very angry, judgmental, critical, that is not your intuition, that are not your guides. Because kahin na kahin we kind of believe ki we'll be punished if we don't listen to God, or if we don't do something right, or if we don't follow this thing written in this way in some scripture. Honestly, it is not that way as much as it seems in form of intuition, inner guidance, and even if you want to receive guidance from your guides. Yes, there are things जहाँ पे warnings होती हैं, but वो fearful नहीं होती हैं. They are nudges, they are impulses, they are firm, and they just try to stop you from doing it in a way जो forceful or fearful नहीं होता है. So anytime you come across anything, whether it's in your head, whether it's from someone, whether you are listening to something, no matter how established or known they are, if it makes you fearful, if it makes you anxious, it means it is not a part of your journey, and it means that is not what's true to you and what's not true for you. Be it any kind of information, इसलिए it's very important that you check in with yourself. How is it speaking to you? And I always say take what resonates, because that is the way your intuition guides you. That is the way your life is trying to guide you. So all in all, the gist of this video is any fear, any urgency, any anxiety, any compulsion, any obligation is not your intuition. So you don't need to be worried about that. And if you are, please let it go and relax and breathe, because honestly you are taken care of and everything around you is. जब भी ऐसा होता है, you can create an affirmation or a prayer that will bring you in a lighter state, that will help you relax. And once you do that and put your faith in something greater than you, you will see how always and already it is working for you. होता ये है कि our fear clouds our vision. एक धुन सी आ जाती है and we are not able to actually see how things are working for us. And if we can lighten ourselves, so it just goes away, and when the clouds go away, the sun shines brighter, right? That is how our life works as well. So if this is happening with you, just stop right there and then. Don't try so hard to find your intuition and know it is already a part of you, rather than trying to so hard to access your intuition or your inner guidance. Start listening to your own heart, tuning into your own heart, the place in your body within you that makes you feel calm and at peace and at home. That is where your intuition is, that is where your inner wisdom lies, and that is where everything you are seeking for lies. So in a way, this video is about so many things in one video, and I really hope that it helps you and you gain something from it, because it can be fearful and intimidating for many of us to get into the place जहाँ पे हम अपने intuition की सुन रहे हैं, कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And I hope it helps and softens that for you, because we really don't need to struggle that hard to be intuitive. We already are. So just know that, follow your heart, have faith in life, and some power you believe in, any power you believe in, it's already happening for you in so many ways. And if you can start acknowledging it and appreciating it, you will see what magic is going on in your life on your behalf for you. And I really hope that you do that and you're able to do that. So this was all I wanted to share for this video, and I really hope it helps you and these tips guide you in the right direction of accessing your own intuition. Not that much, but actually being your true self, because when you are true to who you are, you don't really need your intuition, because you already are intuitive. All of us are, right? So I really hope it does that to you. And अगर ऐसा हो रहा है that you really need your inner guidance access, the method that I shared, write it down, let it go and see what comes up. और तब तक के लिए अगर बहुत urgent है, take the step that you feel is most right for now. बाकी का you will be guided, and just know and affirm it again and again that I am taken care of. It is all taken care of for me. I will be fine. I have been fine. Soothe yourself as much as you can. It will really all come together, and you will see how, and you will know why it happened the way it did. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope these tips help you a lot, and you are able to get more in touch with yourself, your true nature, and your true light. That is what all matters. Take very good care of yourself, and remember, you deserve the world.